Hello guys, good morning. Happy Friday. It's weekend again. Enjoy your weekend. I need to have sunlight for a while. The morning early sunlight is good for natural vitamin D. Although I'm going out later because I'm gonna accompany Ether to the practice in school. 2 hours practice in school this afternoon. But the early morning sunlight is good. Because in the afternoon sunlight is very hot. It's not good for the body. And I just want to have vitamin D. Natural vitamin D. Only here inside because outside is too much hot. The temperature is high already. While putting cream in my face and combing my hair. See the sun. The sun is in my back. Very hot already. It's only 7 o'clock. 7 something. It's in my head. It's weekend again. You wanna see my plant? It's good. My plant is growing. There is a small stem growing in the see? The one who is the stem brick, there is a small growing stem. I hope it will grow big and fat and have a red leaves. Became green the stem of my plant. That's a poinsettia, but there is no red flower in the leaves. It became very thin. But it's good. It's growing again. There's so many small stem growing. My hair is very dry, see? Because of the hair dye. That's why I don't want to always dye my hair because it became very dry. But the problem is my hair became white every time my hair growing. It's all white. Cannot became gray now. All my hair is gray. It's hard to comb. Very dry. Okay. It's low battery.